seen them for a year because I had to stay here for my college. And I got a chance to visit some of my old friends, some old friends that I had not seen for 7, 8 years. And I was also very happy because when I saw them, I didn't even recognize them anymore. Like they've grown up. they are actually more older than me, and they already got married, got a job, and have already finished colleges, and they've got children. And I was kind of embarrassed, I didn't talk to them because they were just like very interested in digging, like trying to get to know you again after 7, 8 years not to see each other. So, but I was a little bit embarrassed because I have not finished my college yet. I don't have a permanent job yet, and my parents still pay for my living expenses and my tuition fees, and wow. So I didn't talk much. Yeah, and when I was back at home, like I don't have a lot of friends. I have only probably I can count around 5 best friends, but they were all busy, and they were 3 of them were out of town. They got a job somewhere, and so I did, like I spent most of my days at home, looking after my brother, watching TVs. That's what I love, and downloading movies, talking to people on Skype, trying to improve my English. And I also, because I had so much time in my hands, so I tried to learn a little bit of German